aims to eliminate all forms of discrimination and violence against women through the public and private spheres and undertake reforms to give women equal rights to economic resources and access to ownership of property.
Gender equality is not only a fundamental human right, but a necessary foundation for a peaceful, proportioned, and sustainable.
Gender should not be a basis. Economically, women only get less amount of their salaries than men. Thus, we women need to speak up and fight for our rights.
To increase in violence against women and girls, emerging data shows that since the outbreak of the pandemic, violence against women and girls, and particularly domestic violence, has intensified.
I encourage you to share tools about equality awareness. Enhancing the use of technology in the good side is also important.